Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the RedotPay verification rejection issue. If your identity verification was rejected and you don't know why, just follow these simple steps. First, open the RedotPay app on your phone. Once you're logged in, go to your profile section. From there, tap on the support center or help option. Next, select opening your account and then tap on identity verification. Here, you'll see several options related to your verification. Now click on Why did my KYC verification fail? Be sure to carefully read all the instructions and guidelines provided on this page. They will help you understand the most common reasons for rejection. After that, scroll down and tap Send Message to contact support. In the message box, briefly explain your problem and what happened with your verification. Finally, hit Send. The support team will review your case and help resolve the issue as soon as possible. That's it. Just follow these steps, and your verification problem should be fixed quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.